What's the logical value of string in Python? I erroneously wrote this code in Python. It always prints out, that is a nice name, even when the input is neither Cameron nor Samana. Am I correct in saying that it considers Samana as a true? Why? By the way, I already noticed my mistake. The correct form is?
This URL? All other values are considered true, so objects of many types are always true.
Any non-empty string in Python, and most other languages, is true, as are all non-zero numbers and non-empty lists, dictionaries, sets and tuples. Point 1. A nicer way to do what you want is: this creates a tuple containing the names that you want and performs a membership test. 1. As Delman points out in the comments, this applies to all well-written collections. That is, if you implement a custom collection class, make sure that it is false when it's empty.
A non-empty string is true, yes. An empty one is false. This is super handy.
In Python, an empty string is considered false, true otherwise. You could use the in operator.
Multiple choice, so let's try.